Welcome back to Roadside Rescue. I'm Ernest, and on this episode, I'm going to be reviewing this Anona Aurora security camera. This shoots in 4K. I've got some security cameras around here, and some of them are outdated. I've got a shed back here that I store some stuff in. It's got an old security camera on it, and it can see in the dark, but it doesn't have any sort of light or anything built into it. This does. And it also shoots in 4K. I'm trying to upgrade my old cameras that don't shoot in 4K. Let me tell you what this camera can do, and let me install it over here. One of the other problems I run into with those cameras is the fact that they die all the time. This one comes with its own solar panel, so let's install both of these and see how the system works together. But basically, I'm excited to not have to come out here every month and replace batteries in a security camera. It gets ridiculous after a while. This will run all year long, no problem. I've got a good spot over here that gets some sun, no problem, throughout the day, even when this tree has some leaves on it, but you can see they're starting to come down. Let's set this up.
I was wondering how hard this was going to be to set up, but this security camera is super easy. It even comes with a sticker to help you, but I'm just going to use some self-tapping screws, and it shouldn't take long at all to mount these on my shed.
Okay, first thing I want to do is get the solar panel up here, just facing in a direction that gets sun most of the day. And I want to make sure this cord's long enough to reach the camera, but in my case, I'm not really worried about that. This cord is long. It's like 10 feet, probably more. They come with templates for mounting these, but I'm not going to need one of those. I'm just running self-tapping screws. They do come with their own screws though. Perfect. That gets a ton of sun throughout the day at that angle, but you don't even need that much.
And the AOV feature enables this 4K camera with a battery built in to record 24/7. That's only something that was possible before with hardwired devices. That's a built-in low power mode. It ensures sustainable operation. In this limited Black Friday sales, you can pick one up for $89.99, and that's the lowest price for this camera set.
And you don't even have to worry about having some sort of memory with this thing. It has 32 gigabytes of storage built in. Okay, not only is this camera super easy to set up, it's only been a few minutes and I'm pretty much done. I've just got to screw this in, so probably 5 to 10 minute setup. But the app's super easy to use, so let's set this up and I'll show you how cool the app is and how easy it is to download any footage or monitor your security areas. Easy.
I'm really impressed with how easy this was to set up. The solar panel works great and the camera was super easy to set up. It's honestly super easy to monitor from the app and the footage is crystal clear. It's a way better upgrade compared to the camera I used to have. And there's a lot of things you can customize. I customized several of these settings and there's a few things you'll be able to customize, obviously according to wherever you put it. It's able to track activity really well. And you can set the limits for how sensitive the camera is, for how much motion it'll pick up. And you can also set, one of the things I'm most excited about is this alarm that'll just go off and set the lights off for 30 seconds. And impressively, you can set the areas of detection. This is something that's important for me in my yard because obviously I have some neighbors really close by. They use their yard a lot too, and I don't want this going off every time my neighbors are using their yard. I just want it going off if somebody's coming in my yard. But if one area is not good enough, you can always add a second. Saving them is real easy, and you can also just add as many areas as you want or take them away.
Nice.
Well, it was almost dark outside to me, but look at the same footage at that time. Outside, it looked bright as day. So in the middle of the night, this is going to keep track of everything going on outside. It's going to see perfectly, and I love that it's just going to have that alarm and light go off if anybody comes messing around my shed. I think it's important to have crystal clear footage, but this camera and app can also track people, and with the features built in, it keeps you extra safe.
I'm really impressed by the Anona Aurora security camera package. Comes with the solar panel. This works great. If you want one of these, check out the link in the description and pinned comment for a really good deal. And see you on the next episode.